Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MariaDB 11.8 on Debian 12 operating systems. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to mariadb.org, hit enter, then click on download, then click on MariaDB repositories, scroll down, then select the distribution. See, I am going to install on the Debian 12. If you are on 11, you have to select 11. So select 12, then select the version. See here we have the 11.8. Then we have to install these two tools. Okay, open terminal, copy it and open terminal. Paste it, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. Type and hit enter. We have successfully installed. Now create this directory, copy it, Control N, paste it, hit enter, then import this repository key, paste it, hit enter, then create this file in this directory. So copy entire this file, sudo vi, then give that file with the path name, hit enter, press I to insert mode, then copy entire this string or just click on this copy button. It is copied, paste here, save the file, double Q exclamation. Now update the packages, sudo apt get. See here, next command is we have to update the packages. See here, okay. So update, hit enter. It is done. Now install the MariaDB server. Sudo apt get install MariaDB -server. Hit enter. Type and hit enter. We have successfully installed MariaDB. Control A. Now verify the status of the MariaDB server. Sudo systemctl here. Status MariaDB. Hit enter. See, we have installed MariaDB 11.8 and its status is running and it is enabled. Q to quit. Control A. Now connect to it. Sudo MariaDB. Hit enter. See, we have connected to MariaDB server 11.8. The first step after connecting to MariaDB server is we have to set the password for root account. Alter user root identified by Control L. Alter user root identified by provide new password. See, in single quotes, whatever is there in single or double quotes, that is the password. Hit enter. So we have to give @ sign, @ localhost, hit enter. See, we have successfully set the password. Now exit and connect to MariaDB. MariaDB -u root -p. Then provide this new password. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the current user. Select current _ user. See, we have connected with the user root. Okay. Now verify the list of the databases. So databases. See here, these are the list of the databases that comes with MySQL installation. Now create a database. Then we will create a table in that. So create see, new database bank is created. Now switch to this database by using the command use, then provide the database name. See, now we have switched. Before, see here, it was none. Now none has been replaced with bank. Okay, we can also get or verify current database. Select database. See, we are in the bank database. Okay, now create a table. See, we have created a table. Control A to clear screen. Let us insert some data into this table. Insert one more row. Now verify the data. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay. Now we will create a user. Before that, verify list of users. Show users. See, this won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running the command. Select user from mysql.user. See, these are the list of the users that comes with MariaDB installation. Okay, create user. See, new user David is created. Now exit from the current user and try to connect to MariaDB. MariaDB -u, new username is David -p, hit enter, provide the password of this new user. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the current user, current_user. See, we have connected with the user David. Now try to switch to database. See, access denied for user David to database bank, because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. So exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart MariaDB on Debian operating systems. Sudo systemctl stop MariaDB. Now verify the status. Just replace this start with status. See, MariaDB is inactive or dead. Okay, Q to quit, Control A. Also verify by trying to connect to MariaDB. See, we are unable to connect because MariaDB server is down. So okay, let us start it. Just replace the status with start. We have successfully started. Verify the status. See, MariaDB service started. Okay, Q to quit. If you want to restart, just give sudo systemctl restart MariaDB. Hit enter. Now verify the status. See, we have restarted 2 seconds ago. Until now we have connected MariaDB by using MariaDB command line connect. We can also connect MariaDB by using MySQL Workbench or dbeaver. Those are most popular tools. Okay, I have already installed dbeaver on this PC, so let us try to connect to MariaDB from the dbeaver. If you don't know how to install dbeaver on Debian operating systems, search for my YouTube channel for the same. Now click on this plus button, that is new database connection, then select the MariaDB, then click on next. Then here we have to provide the server host or IP of the machine where MariaDB installed, and default port for MariaDB is 3306. Then provide the database name. I have a database bank, then root account, then provide the password of this root account. Then click on test connection. This is the way to connect. Click on, now we have to download the driver, so click on download. See, connected. Okay, click on OK, click on finish, expand connection, expand databases. See, here we have these databases. We want to see the users. See, here we have these users. Okay, now right click on any database, SQL editor, then open SQL console. Now verify the version that we have installed. Select version, then click on this execute button. See, we have connected to MariaDB 11.8. Also, if you want to run the queries against any table, select star from customer, because I have only one table. So click on execute. See, we got the output. If you want to disconnect, right click, disconnect. If you want to delete this connection, delete. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure MariaDB 11.8 on Debian 12 operating system. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.